In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Blender 2.8 for optimal use, especially if you're working on a device that lacks a 3-button mouse. This can be particularly useful for laptop users or anyone who might only have access to a trackpad. So let's jump right in and make your Blender experience smoother and more efficient. First, you'll want to open Blender 2.8. Once you have it open, look towards the upper left corner of the window and you'll see a menu titled Edit. Go ahead and click on that. This menu allows you to access various settings that can help you customize Blender according to your needs and preferences. After clicking Edit, a drop-down menu will appear, and you should select Preferences from this list. This option is crucial because it grants access to all the configuration settings required to personalize Blender's interface and operations to best suit what you'll be doing. Now, once the Preferences window pops up, you'll observe several tabs running along the left side. The one you are specifically looking for is labeled Input. Click on the Input tab. This section is where you can modify how Blender interprets the input from your keyboard, mouse, or other input devices, allowing you to recreate a three-dimensional navigation setup even if you don't have a 3-button mouse. Within the Input tab, focus your attention on the middle portion of the window. You'll notice a checkbox option that reads, Emulate 3-button mouse. Go ahead and click this checkbox. By doing this, you enable the function that mimics the actions of a 3-button mouse, using alternative key presses on devices that don't have all mouse functions available. For those wondering what exactly this does, enabling emulation allows you to use the Alt key in combination with other keys to substitute for missing mouse buttons. For instance, holding Alt and dragging with a 1 or 2-button mouse can effectively emulate the middle mouse button function, which is crucial for tasks like orbiting around your 3D model. Once you've done that, your next step is to save these changes to ensure they remain active for future Blender sessions. Look towards the bottom left corner of the Preferences window, and you'll see a blue button labeled Save Preferences. Clicking this button ensures that all the changes you've just made will be automatically applied each time you start Blender from this point forward. With the changes saved, you can now close the Preferences window and you're all set. Your Blender is now configured to emulate a 3-button mouse, making navigation a lot more convenient, irrespective of whether you're using a typical mouse or just the trackpad on your laptop. So go ahead and explore your models with ease and enjoy a seamless creation process.